inside at the... I think it's like $12 for the whole day or $3 each hour.
It opens at 8 a.m. Oh, it doesn't open that early.
I think it's like 8 to 8 or 8 to 10.
I think it was like 10.
Because I think for here you need a parking pass. And then down there is like to the public. It looks a little greener than the last time we came.
Oh, yeah, sure. Last time we came on like a drought.
Yeah.
아, 물소리 더 세다 저번보다. But oh yeah, definitely more than last time. Wow. Do you see it?
Yeah, I do.
Ah.
이제는 Malibu Creek에 다시 됐네.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little birdhouse. It's a tree. It's a birdhouse. It's a tree house for a bird.
예전엔 더
그리고 여기 it looks so different. 무슨 새? Oh, yeah, it does. There it is. Is that a crane? Yeah, it looks like a crane. Yeah, right there. It looks like the enchanted tunnel. I don't know, something. Yeah. No alcoholic beverages. People like to do what they're told not to do, though. 내려가, 올라가, 내려가. 근데 역시 it's more still, so it's kind of murky. Water, I see the water. I smell the water. Woo! Oh, I like the smell. Wow.
원래 여기 위에서 rock climbing 여기 하고 있다.
Ooh, rock climbing. How fun. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, we're here. 정말 자리 잘 잡았네. 거기서. Just gotta be careful with the wet rock because it might be slippery. Yeah! 자, 우리 이제 물 마실 자리를 잡았고요. Right in the middle of the creek. 자! 물 마시자. 짠! 와, 이쁘다. It's only open on Saturdays and Sundays? Wow. It was originally a Hollywood set. Try anyway back. Wow, I've never seen that. Wow, they're so cute. They run like Tinky. Yeah. Tinky's like that. Like when Tinky runs, her legs go so fast. Wow. Two roads. Which way? Both of them look like they've been traveled the same. But we'll go this way. 와, 진짜 멋있다. 진짜 멋진 구경 엄청 하네. 물을 어떻게 건너야 하나? There is a trail ahead, but there is no rocks to step on. Oh,
Can you do it right here?
this one
Oh,
sounds
okay,
better, yeah. That one looks kind of.
Is it wet?
Uh-huh.
If
Doo-doo.
it was dry, you could just walk.
Some of them not so much. Not all of them are stable. So you kind of have to tap it to check it out before you put all of your weight on it.
You got this.
I got it! Now we've come full circle.
Back on the trail. That felt a lot faster too. Familiar road. Oh, these little pebbles and everything. 여기는 깨끗해 보여서 좋다. It's because it's getting like purified through all the rocks right now.
Oh yeah.
Yes, and now we back. Didn't get lost this time.
I know. So glad we did it.
But we ventured off into new areas. Yay! Dun 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 dun. You're almost here.